You just got a like on your post. Feel that rush? 2 minutes later, you're scrolling again, feeling empty. There's a war in your brain between two chemicals. Dopamine makes you feel good. Serotonin makes you feel right. And if you don't know the difference, you'll keep chasing happiness in all the wrong places. Stanford University just proved something wild. They watched what happens in the brain when you're waiting for a reward. When the reward was coming, dopamine spiked up. But serotonin? It dropped down. They move in opposite directions. The scientists called them the accelerator and the brakes. When they blocked just dopamine, learning stopped. When they blocked just serotonin, learning stopped. But when both work together, perfect learning. You need both. But right now, your dopamine is in overdrive and your serotonin is getting crushed. Dopamine is your go signal. It fires when you're about to get something rewarding, not during, before. It's about anticipation, the chase. This is why you buy something, it arrives, 3 days later you don't care. You get excited about a new relationship, 6 months later you're bored. You scroll for an hour and feel worse than when you started. Every app on your phone is designed to maximize dopamine hits. Every notification, every like, every autoplay, engineered to keep you chasing. And here's the killer. Excessive dopamine suppresses serotonin. Every time you chase another hit, you're making it harder to feel deep, lasting satisfaction. So we just do a dopamine detox, right? Wrong. Here's what actually works. Serotonin is your wait signal. Where dopamine says, go get it, serotonin says, slow down, consider the bigger picture. Think of it like this. Dopamine is the thrill of going on vacation. Serotonin is the contentment of being home. Dopamine is a first date. Serotonin is a 20-year marriage. Dopamine is buying the thing. Serotonin is having enough. Serotonin creates lasting well-being. It doesn't spike and crash. It's stable, steady, deep. But here's the key. To build serotonin, you need things that take effort and time. Research shows deep relationships that take years, skills that take months, health that requires daily discipline, purpose that demands sacrifice. None of that gives you an instant hit, but all of it gives you what dopamine never can. A life that feels right, not just good. Dopamine feels good. It's excitement, motivation, the rush, and there's nothing wrong with it in the right doses. But serotonin feels right. It's contentment, peace, the deep knowledge that your life has meaning. Your brain is in a battle. Dopamine is the accelerator, serotonin is the brakes. You need both. But if all you do is press the gas, you're going to crash. Here's your challenge. For 7 days, do one thing that feeds serotonin. Have a real conversation. Walk without your phone. Cook instead of order. Help someone without posting about it. Feel the difference between what makes you feel good and what makes you feel right. Because once you know, you can't unsee it, and that's when everything changes.